Hey guys, it's the Real China Sister. I'm back with another video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below. So today's video, I'm basically going to be giving the fellas some advice. I'm going to tell them basically how to get your girl to submit to you. It's like 3 tips. It's really like self-explanatory. It's not so complicated. I see a lot of people talking about submission and should a woman submit to a man. I'm going to do a video on that next, like my opinion on submitting to a man and everything. But these are like 3 tips basically on how to get your girl to submit to you. Very quick, very easy.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it.
My first tip for the fellas and like how to get your girl to submit to you. My first tip is, you guys have to decide what type of relationship you guys are going to be in. Everyone's different. Every woman does not like to submit to a man. There are some women that feel like, no one needs to submit to anybody, and to each its own opinion. But, y'all have to have a discussion about that, or you know what, not even so much a discussion about it. I think when you guys are like in the talking stage before you become boyfriend and girlfriend, while you're getting to know her, you should like start getting to know the type of woman she is. So if she's a type of woman that is always arguing about everything, and I don't mean she's arguing at you all the time because you're always doing something fucked up all the time, making her argue. I'm talking about girls that really just complain about any and everything all the time. Then that's probably not going to be the woman you want to be with. It's not going to be so easy to get that type of woman to submit to you. So it's really for you to decide at first, or you guys to decide at first, like what kind of relationship it's going to be. If you guys have a good vibe with one another, you guys get along, then it might be easier to get that type of woman to submit to you. My second tip for the fellas in how to get your girl to submit to you, honestly guys, please hear me when I say this, submission comes naturally. Like, we submit to men naturally when we're being treated right. When a man is being honest, he's being consistent, he's not falling off, he's not out there embarrassing us, like, he still has a life of his own, but, he's a good boyfriend. Like, that's the man that a woman is going to submit to, and we're going to let you take the lead, especially like, outside of that, you have a lot of goals, you're about your business, you take school very seriously, like, whatever it is that you're doing, if you're positive or, you're just good for us, like, we're going to submit naturally to you. No one needs to, and I think this is the incorrect message that's being sent out these days. No man needs to tell a woman how she needs to be or what she needs to do. So if you find yourself telling a woman, oh, you need to submit to me, oh no, you need to listen to what I'm telling you to do, or you need to listen to me in life, but you don't need to do all of that demanding shit, because if anything, that's just going to create more argument, or that's just going to make her feel like you're trying to come into her life and take over. In wanting a boyfriend or getting a boyfriend, and ladies, you can comment below and tell me if I'm wrong, we're not looking for a father figure. We're not looking for a professor. We're just looking for boyfriends. So just be a good boyfriend. It's a very simple job. It's a very simple task. Again, be honest, be consistent, be good to your girl, and she'll be good to you, honestly. Like, that's all it is. And, if you don't want to be honest and consistent with someone, then just be single, just be single. My third and final tip for the fellas and how to get your girl to submit to you, and this is just like a bonus tip, you got to make her feel special. Along with being consistent and being a good boyfriend, sometimes from time to time, make her feel special. Remember her birthday. Put on for her on Valentine's Day. Like, make her feel special. I promise you, like, a woman will appreciate that. She will think it's so sweet, especially if it's something she didn't have to tell you directly. That turns women on more than anything. I promise y'all, when we don't got to tell y'all something and y'all just do it, like, that's everything. And it just makes you feel like, okay, like, he cares, or, oh, he's paying attention. So, like, once in a while, bring her some flowers. Once in a while, give her her favorite candy. Once in a while, take her out for a dinner date just cause. You know, those are just some ways in how to make your girl feel special. If the fellas need any advice on how to make your girl feel special or need some like date tip ideas, I think I have some videos on my channel of like different date ideas, like nice date ideas, cheap date ideas. But yeah, getting a girl to submit to you, it's very easy, and you do not need an aggressive approach at all. Like, I just feel like, again, what's being put out into the air these days is telling men to be aggressive with women, and that's not going to get you anything but a skillet upside your head or you behind bars. So be careful in how you approach women or how you choose to deal with them. But yeah, that's my little video for y'all tonight about submission and submitting to a man. I told you I'm going to do another video and let y'all know if I think women should submit to men, period. And just my opinion on that a little bit. If you guys have gotten this far in the video and not gotten a chance yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment below, and let me know what you think. See you guys soon.